Welcome to Solo-Ensemble.com. Solo-Ensemble.com is a web-based system for managing judged fine arts events. This video tutorial provides a brief tour of the various user interface main screens for each of the contest roles: accompanist, judge, school staff, and contest staff. As always, we begin at Solo-Ensemble.com and proceed to the operational website by selecting the contest login menu item at the upper right. We have described the processes for setting up member accounts and school accounts in other tutorials. We will now log in as a member to reach our dashboard. This particular dashboard is populated with many events. Your dashboard will have only the contest events to which you already belong. As you may have seen in other tutorial videos, the dashboard lists the past, current, and upcoming contests worldwide sorted by their starting date. The 4 columns of icon buttons on the right side of the screen indicate roles for each contest that this user belongs to. Each Solo-Ensemble.com member may belong to one or more contests in any of these 4 roles: accompanist, judge, contest staff, and school staff. Let's start with the simplest role, accompanist, by clicking the piano icon for the Wilsonville contest. Here is the accompanist main menu. As you can see, this has only a few options. An accompanist may view all performances of each available type. They may also view their schedule sessions that list the time blocks and room numbers to which they have been assigned. We review the other accompanist pages in another tutorial video. For now, we'll return to our dashboard and move on to the next role: judge. The judge main menu has more panels that encompass several options. The left panel includes a text box where a judge may enter the ID number for a performance in order to adjudicate it. The center panel lists all performances in the contest, as well as the sessions to which this judge has been assigned. Contest staff may assign specific performances to judges. In this case, those performances will be listed when the judge selects the assigned links. In the panel on the right, this judge may view and edit the performances they have already judged, if allowed by permissions set by the contest staff. Other tutorials describe the judge pages in greater detail. For now, we will return to the dashboard and move on to the next role: school staff. We will save the contest staff main menu area for last because it is the most complex. We click the school icon button to enter the contest as a staff member of a school. We describe how to create a school account and associate it with a contest in another tutorial video. As you can see, this interface starts with all of its panels in the closed position. Each panel may be opened by clicking on the blue panel header. This allows the software to be more user-friendly when operating it from a smaller device, such as a mobile phone, by hiding unnecessary menu items that take up screen space. We will now open up each of the panels to show the various menu items. The School Account panel lets you view your current invoice and update the payer information. It has menu items to view both files and messages that have been posted for you by the contest staff. The red icon indicates how many messages are listed as unread. The Performance Entries panel is where you enter each of the student performances to be evaluated. You can also create and manage links to external resources such as source material, like sheet music, and video recordings of student performances, if applicable. Like we saw for accompanists and judges, school staff also can view the session schedule times and rooms to which they have been assigned by the contest staff. The Results panel is used extensively during and after a contest event. It lets the school staff view the results in both tabular form and as PDF files of comments. It shows summary tables of the expected medal and ribbon counts, and how many performances remain to be judged in the event. We now return to our user dashboard to view the main menu area for the last and most comprehensive user role: contest staff. Like we saw for the school staff main menu, the contest staff main menu starts with its panels hidden. Most of the time, you will be working primarily with one panel at a time. The pre-contest panel contains dozens of options for configuring your contest website, including the title, dates, colors, and setting up the judging rubrics. Other tutorial videos cover each of these menu items in detail. The Schools and Personnel panel lists all of your school and people assets. You can view and remove schools from your contest. Adding schools to your event is done elsewhere, and we have a tutorial video for that. Lists of your judges, accompanists, and other members of your contest staff may be viewed here. Individual members can be added or removed from these menu pages. You can set up the default email text for inviting each category of users. Here you can also upload and manage both files and text messages that are visible to your participating schools. The final panel, during contest, contains links to many lists and functions that are most applicable during and following a contest event. You can view both the registered and judged performances, including a listing of remaining performances. Medal and ribbon counts summarize these awards based on the criteria you establish for each school. The contest results item opens up a new screen for viewing a listing of solo and ensemble results, suitable for showing participants and guests. The public link for this can be turned into a QR code for sharing contest results if you wish. The Advanced Functions menu is only visible to contest directors and contains many specialized functions. We cover that in its own video. This concludes a whirlwind tour of the primary main menu pages for all of the roles in the Solo-Ensemble.com ecosystem. Look for more tutorial videos that cover these topics in greater detail, depending on the roles you intend to have with Solo-Ensemble.com.